Good morning, students. I am again here before you to present a new poem, that is The Snare. This poem is also included in the syllabus of 12th class, and in this first video I am going to tell you about the summary of the poem, and then the recitation of the poem will be done. The whole summary of this poem, it will be presented by me only in English. Then in the video which I will prepare later, I will explain the whole poem in Hindi also. My first target is to develop a student's interest in English. So I am going to make summary of this poem, The Snare. Listen me attentively. The poem Snare, it is composed by James Stephens, and the poet is really of kind heart. He is sensitive towards wild animals. Suddenly he hears a sound from he doesn't know the place from where the sound is coming. The poet identifies the sound and he knows this is the sound of a rabbit, because the sound, it was mixed with pain of the rabbit. So poet has known that a rabbit has been trapped somewhere in the forest or somewhere at any place. Poet is trying to search that rabbit, but he is unable to find out the exact location where the rabbit is. In another hand, rabbit is continuously crying because this rabbit is in pain. Because of his continuous cries, the whole atmosphere has also turned into terrible sounds. Everything in the atmosphere has been terrified by the cries of rabbit. All the other animals, all the other things in the forest, they are also terrified by the noise of rabbit. Our poet, he is continuously searching. He is regularly searching that spot where the paw of rabbit has been trapped in a snare. He untiredly makes his efforts, but poet is still unable to find out the place where the rabbit is. We can see the poet has a sympathetic heart. Poet has a kind heart towards animals, towards wild animals, and he wants to give a clear-cut message to all the readers or to all the human beings that we should be sympathetic towards animals. As a man cries whenever he is surrounded in a problem, in the same way, animals also feel the same kind of distress or same kind of pain when they are surrounded in a problem. So it is our duty. Poets wants to say that it is our duty to save these wild animals. We should not make any attempt to make their life painful. So this is the summary of this poem. Now I am going to recite this poem for you, because as I told you earlier, recitation is necessary, because recitation, it creates a difference between prose and poetry. In poetry, recitation is very, very urgent. So I am going to recite it. I hear a sudden cry of pain. There is a rabbit in a snare. Now I hear the cry again, but I cannot tell from where. But I cannot tell from where. He is calling out for aid, crying on the frightened air, making everything afraid. Making everything afraid, wrinkling up his little face as he cries again for aid, and I cannot find the place. And I cannot find the place where his paw is in the snare. Little one, oh little one, I am searching everywhere. Now I will make another video where you can see easily the poem at the page of the book. In that video, my face will not be visible there. You will see only the page of the book, and my sound will come, and that will be only in Hindi.